think I like this. I don't know. Maybe Instagram made the right choice. What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl, Octavia.Darling, and we're back with another video. So in this video, I will be doing a Locstyle that I asked Instagram to choose for me. And honestly, I didn't know that they was going to choose this one. I just knew they was going to choose the other one, but the most votes won. Before we do that, I am going to retwist my locks. I just freshly washed it, but I won't be recording me retwisting it only because I have a step-by-step thorough tutorial on how to retwist your locks. And if you're interested in watching that, then I'll make sure to link it above and below in the description box so you can check that out as well. But let me go ahead and retwist my locks really quickly and then we'll hop right into it. Okay, y'all, so we're back. My hair is freshly retwisted. It didn't take me long, which is awesome. I will be leaving the picture up for reference so you can keep in mind the lock style that I'm going for. And by the way, if you want to be a part of the future polls of Instagram choosing my lock style, make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Octavia.Darling, and then you can participate in the next ones. For the rest of this video, we're just going to vibe out. Y'all can watch what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm excited. And by the way, if y'all see me look in this direction, that's because I'm using this mirror. I don't know where my other smaller mirror is, but I will be needing to look this way sometimes, just to make sure I'm on track. But all right, let's hop into it. All right, so now y'all have a bigger view of what the style is that Instagram chose. And I think it's super cute. I've never done a style like this, especially a bun like this. And honestly, I didn't know if my locks were even long enough to accomplish this style. But keep watching this video and you'll see the results at the end. Anyways, the tools that you want to use to get this going is rubber bands, and I use the black large rubber bands. Also, you want to use some hairpins. I also use a large scrunchie for my ponytail, and then of course I use other products to do the retwisting of my hair. But right now what I'm doing is smoothing up. I'm sorry, let me start over. I sectioned off the front to where I know I'm going to do the 2-strand twist for the bang. But right now, what I'm doing is smoothing up the rest of my locks into that high ponytail. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I was kind of dreading this part because whenever I do like high ponytails, I want them to be so nice and smooth, you know, like where it's like not bulging in the back. I want it to be nice and straight. My locks are aligned and everything. And I knew that my arms were probably going to be hurting a little bit when I was doing this. And I did an upper body workout earlier this morning, so I was a little tired, but I made it through as you can see. And so once I finally got the high ponytail going, I just started to pull my locks through to make sure that they were smooth all throughout the ponytail. So now I'm moving along to start doing the bun. What I did was I sectioned the ponytail off into 2 sections, and as you can see, I'm trying to clip that section down so that it doesn't get in the way when I am creating the lower level bun. If you can see by the picture, it looks like 2 buns are stacked on top of each other. So now I'm moving on to doing the lower level bun, and I was trying to figure out, should I twist it or should I just wrap it? You know, kind of like give it that donut feel. And I decided that just wrapping it around and just gathering the locks around gradually is what worked best. And then I would just pin it around to make sure that no locks were sticking out for the most part. Now that the lower bun is partially, for the most part, secured with hairpins, or is it? Oh, 1 second. I see a couple loose ones. Let me pin that in. Yeah, it was kind of tricky because, again, like as y'all know, if y'all been rocking with me for a little while, all of my locks are not the same length. They are layered, so I know that there was going to be some shorter pieces that would stick out. But I wanted to secure the lower bun as much as possible with hairpins so that it wouldn't be any issues when I did the top bun, which is what I'm doing right now. And now that I got that secured, you see that I'm going to repeat the same steps and pin the loose ends in so that they don't stick out and make the bun look messy. I want them to look nice and neat, just like the picture. Okay, so now we're moving along to the front. We're going to do 3 strand twists in the front for the bangs because my locks are slightly smaller than the ladies in the picture, and I still wanted it to look nice and full, but I didn't want to do too many twists to where it just like it was too much. So I felt like doing 5 of the 3 strand twists was just enough. Okay, y'all, so I just finished. I feel a few flyaways in the back of my buns that I just want to pin down so that they don't be out too much. I think I like this. I don't know, maybe Instagram made the right choice. This is going to be interesting to see how it is when I like go to sleep and wake up. And I'm talking mainly about the bun. This is how the back look. This is the front. What do y'all think? I want to slick my edges down, which I don't really do ever, but I'm gonna do it for this style. Why not, right? Then we're just gonna put a little bit, and I'm not the best baby hair person, but I can do a little swoop to do. I feel like it'll look much better after I put a scarf on, but let's take care of these top flyaways. This is the final look. What do y'all think? Give me a thumbs up if you're feeling this style. Comment down below your thoughts. I like it. I really do like it. This is super cute, and this is actually a convenient style for when I go to the gym and work out, when I'm doing my squats. And if my hair get on my nerves, I can always tuck it behind and just clip it up if needed. All right, so I had to put my earrings on to complete the look, but that will wrap up this video. I'm going to keep this series going, so if you want to be a part of the future polls on Instagram choosing my loc style, make sure you follow me on there at Octavia.Darling. That information will be included in the description box below, and while you're at it, you might as well follow me on other social media platforms. Just search Octavia.Darling and I'm sure that I'll pop up. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video with someone else, and thank you always for your support. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!